Coach, and this is my project, Gers Garage. This is a web page project. In this project, I used HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, and Bootstrap. And for the database part, I use MySQL. And to do the connection between database and web page, I use PHP. Now let's start with the home page. This is my home page here. There is some information about Gers Garage. Let's register first. So I'm gonna use the name Peter. Password 12345. Phone number. You can say whatever you want. Vehicle type, you can choose car, bus, van, or motorcycle. I'm gonna choose bus. For the brands, you can choose Suzuki. At model, let's say this one. And the license. And this page, like I wanted to make an model match. Let's say you choose Suzuki brand should have come up in the model section, but I couldn't get this done because it was so hard. I watched so many videos on YouTube. I spent so much time on it, but I couldn't do it, so I left it like this. And this information comes from the database. If you try to submit like this, it's gonna show you an alert, so you have to write down your vehicle number as well. And email is essential as well. You have to write down your email. Say peter@gmail.com. Engine type, let's say diesel. Yeah. We have 4 engine types. I'm gonna choose that diesel and submit it. Registration is done. Now we are registered. Now I'm gonna try to do a booking. Let's go to booking page. Page to page. So if you want your name comes up here, you have to log out. Then let's log in again. At gmail.com 12345. Sign in. Okay, now let's do the booking. Here your name comes up automatically, and you in the booking page there's your name, your phone number. They come automatically. There's the vehicle type, there's the make, model, license, engine type, the service that you want to get. Let's say major repair, say Audi A3. Let's do a license here. For the vehicle name, I'm gonna talk about it later, and you can add here some comments. Let's say thank you. And the booking dates, booking, and your booking done. So when you go to your home page, you can see your booking is done. And you can also see your booking clicking on history, and in this history there is your booking. Writing review, you can give some stars here, like let's say 5, and you can write some comments here. Okay, the problem is that you cannot see your reviews here. My plan was to show the users reviews here, but I couldn't get this done. And for the vehicle register, so if your car, if you couldn't find your car in our system, you can create a new one. So let's say Ford, let's say focus, plate, this one, vehicle, let's say one. So maybe you have the second car, maybe your neighbor need it. You sign in here, your data added. Then when you go to booking page and come to vehicle name, Ford Focus comes up here. That's all I want to say about the user login. Now I'm gonna log out and log in as an admin. There is the admin.admin.com. My password is 12345. Sign in. Essentially, admin page is the similar to user page, but there is an extra feature called admin. So when you click on admin, you can see all the bookings. This is your dashboard. This is the page that you can see the bookings. I used Bootstrap for this section. This is the framework that Bootstrap provides us. Here there is your mechanics, and there are the booking that was made. So for example, if you wanna assign Jimmy to this car, you just click on Jimmy, you refresh the page, and Jimmy is here. You assign Jimmy for this car. You can also change the status here in service, fixed, collected, unrepairable. Then you can see all the customers here. If you refresh the page, like I created new account called Peter, so Peter is our new customer, so the admin can see the customers here. And the invoice page, there are the cars. Last cars was Peter's cars. Let's generate a invoice for the Peter's cars here. Annual salary, let's say 100 euro, a minimum, let's say 50, car mat 30. And if Ger uses some car parts, he can choose one car part from this list, let's say lambda sensor, and you submit it. You can create you can generate invoice as a PDF or as an Excel. First I'm gonna create a PDF file. Click generate invoice, and there is the date, there's a customer name Peter, mobile number, the vehicle, car, license no, annual service, mini wallet, the part was used, windshield, and the part price, and it gives you the total number. Let's go back and generate invoice Excel. Click on Excel page. So it comes up here in the Excel page. Now let's go to booking work. Booking work, in this page you can change the status of the bookings. There are 4 booking: in service, fixed, collected, unrepairable. For example, this is unrepairable, let's say it's fixed. Okay, and you refresh the page, it's fixed. You can also delete the mechanics, let's say delete, refresh the page, and it's gone. And the mechanics, I have 4 mechanics here. For example, if Paul leaves the job, you just click on delete, says OK, refresh the page, and Paul is gone. You can also edit. So if you want to add Emre's last name, let's say Yilmaz, update name, Okay, refresh the page. Emre Yılmaz. And if you want to add new stuff, you can add a new stuff. Let's say Henry, add name. Okay, and Henry comes up here. Current month. In this page you can choose some date and see the bookings. I'm gonna choose 10th to 26. This comes up here. There are some problems, like it doesn't show all the bookings. I couldn't get this done. I couldn't solve it. I couldn't find the solution about this, but it shows one booking. In previous booking you can see all the bookings that was made. Last time I booked with Peter. You can see the Peter name is here. You can also delete the booking if you are done with that. Let's delete this one. Refresh the page, and this one is gone. And the last one is parts. There are some parts that Ger can use, and Ger sells as well. You can edit the car part, and you can add a car part. Let's say wheel brake. Let's put the price 60. Add part. Okay. Go down, and wheel brake is here. And you can also delete the part. Say delete. Okay. And refresh the page. This is gone. And you can also change the prices. Click edit price. You can change it to 90. Date. Refresh the page, and 190. Yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.